Triangle law of forces. Consider a body on which forces P and Q are acting. Note that the forces P and Q are acting in an order, that is, the order in which P and Q are acting lead to anti-clockwise rotation. Let AB represent force P. The length of AB represents the magnitude of P, that is, if P is 4 newtons, then the length of AB is 4 centimeters, 4 inches or any other value that is proportional to 4 newtons, depending on the scale you choose. The arrow mark on AB represents the direction of P. Similarly, let BC represent force Q in magnitude and direction. You can see that AB and BC represent two sides of a triangle. If we complete the triangle by drawing the third side CA, then this new third side CA represents the resultant force of P and Q. Let's call it R. Note that the direction of R is in the clockwise direction, which is opposite to the direction of P and Q. This is what is called the triangle law of forces. The triangle law of forces states that if two forces acting on a body are represented in magnitude and direction by two sides of a triangle taken in order, then the resultant of the two forces is represented in magnitude and direction by the third side of the triangle taken in the opposite order. Let's look at this statement part by part. If two forces acting on a body, this talks about the two forces P and Q that act on the body. Okay, let's look at the next part of the statement. Represented in magnitude and direction by two sides of a triangle. In triangle ABC, side AB and side BC represent the forces P and Q in magnitude as well as in direction. Taken in order, the order in which P and Q act lead to anti-clockwise rotation. Then the resultant of the two forces is represented in magnitude and direction by the third side of the triangle. The third side of the triangle, that is AC, represents the resultant of P and Q in magnitude and direction, taken in the opposite order. That is, the direction of R is opposite to P and Q.